Hey all, today we'll be showing you how to set up your Discord to n8n integrations. I've been coding with n8n for quite a bit now, and one thing I noticed wasn't there is a simple Discord trigger, right? We have triggers on a schedule as well as on a webhook call, but I don't see any way to instantly get any messages directly from Discord. So that's what we built today. So a little bit of how it works. You can go to this website and Discord triggerbot.emp0.com, and over here you'll find a simple button where you can press add to Discord. So what this really does is it adds a Discord bot with the main function of sending any channel messages to your n8n flow. So you can directly add it to a server. Here I've added a new server for us to try it out. And the bot only has 3 permissions, which is one is to view the channels, the message history, and also here we have an n8n trigger already set up in the server. So as you can see, the n8n trigger is up and it's already live. You can see that it's active and it already has a few commands for you to get started. So the first thing we want to do is we want to tell our n8n flow that we'll be sending a message to the workflow. Set it to production URL and we can name something here. Let's say Discord general channel. Now that we have our own webhook URL, we can go and inform our Discord channel that we'll be setting up all the messages we'll be sending to the particular webhook URL. But first we need to make sure that this is active and the workflow is saved. All looks good. We have to make sure that this is on post request and we're already on production URL. Once that's all set up, then we can send any messages to our Discord and it should appear on our n8n workflow on the executions. So let's give it a go. Hello. As you can see, we have already received our own JSON containing a lot of the main. I don't think so. It's this one. It's still loading. Maybe it's because I hosted n8n by myself on Railway. But apart from that, you can see in the body the message is already sent. Hello, the author, the channel, the guild ID, the message ID, everything's already there. I think the main structure of the JSON is already outlined in the main website. All the way down here, this is the sample message event. So if you're sending any messages, it should have the same format as you have here. I think this is pretty simple for anyone who wants to set up and does not the scheduling mechanism. I've got my pros and cons, my love and hate relationship with the scheduling workflow. That's why I made it myself. But I think another alternate that you can do is set up a trigger, something like get a channel and then log in your own Discord channel and connect it to a scheduler. And that's an alternate way. Get every minute you can scrape your own Discord channel to see if there's any messages sent there. But the way I like better is I set up my own webhook so that every messages is sent in real time and I can get a good response. This is only for sending message one way, and I hope you guys enjoy the tool.